Hello, everyone. Welcome to our quiz game. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The theoretical systems of TCM were formed during which dynasty? Ay, what's your answer? Tang Dynasty, Ming Dynasty, Spring and Autumn and Warring States period, or the Qing Dynasty?
Um,
Usually the long one.
the spring and autumn and warming
Okay,
state
so the correct
period.
answer is letter C, Spring and Autumn and Warring States period. Question two. The earliest medical classic in China is?
Hmm. Huangdi.
Oh,
One day.
wow,
Huangdi.
very good. The answer is Huang Ti's internal classic, correct. Huang Ti's internal classic consists of how many parts?
uh,
Ay?
uh, four.
No, two parts.
Five.
Two parts only. Does everyone agree? The correct answer is two parts. Number four, each part of Huang Ti's internal classic has how many chapters?
Each part.
Anyone?
Um,
Hi?
uh, 81.
One. Yeah, because it's so precise, no? Usually when you parang, okay. Correct answer is 81 chapters. Very good. Number five. The book focuses on
The book focuses on um oh, all right.
so usually we when you see the word
Yin
only, it's very catchy, no? Okay. So
yin
what's
yang
yin
and
yang
five
and five elements? Very good. The relationship between human body and nature is emphasized in
Huangdi nature.
One day.
okay. Answer is 118. Letter
Legend.
B. Qin Yuan authored what book?
Yin but wait.
Treatise. So
Treaty
usually
of
they will
Israel.
started with O. I know, I'm sorry. Called Mari pala. Letter B, the answer is B. The
Press.
classic on medical problems. Chinua Ren.
Classic.
Yang Chong Sing is known for
Chongqing.
Treatise of tribal
Treaties.
and miscellaneous diseases.
that because it's a very long answer. Letter B. Syndrome differentiation was emphasized in
Syndrome division. Um, Nanjing.
Nanjing. The correct
Nanjing.
answer is B. Sanghan Lun.
Sandra.
Number 10. Chow Yun-fang contributed to what is the contribution of Chow?
Etiology and pathogenesis.
A long answer. Okay, correct answer is etiology and pathogenesis. Qian Yi specialized in
Gynecology.
no, pediatric
Pediatric.
Pediatric.
children, children's diseases. The three causes theory was proposed by Uy, requirement ang history ha.
Tang Chongqing.
Okay, let's see. It's the longest. I know. Letter
Noah.
Chen Huzhe. Three causes theory. Now it doesn't apply to all the no. Liu
Three causes.
Mansu
Chen.
emphasized. What did Liu?
Doc, we can't see the question.
You can see.
Okay. There.
Okay.
Uh, heat causes.
Yeah. Heat causes disease. That's the correct answer. Number 14. Zheng Gongzhen promoted.
Doc, we can see.
You can't see.
We can see.
Oh, yeah. The signal is very.
Other.
Okay.
Strengthening the kidney.
No. Expelling pathogens. Letter B. Zhang Gongzhen promoted expelling pathogens. Li Kao focused on.
Wait, we can see.
Can you see now? Can everyone see?
We go. Spleen
Spleen
and
and stomach.
stomach.
Spleen
Spleen
and
and
stomach.
stomach.
Letter C.
Letter C.
Wu Danshi emphasized.
Sino ba tayo?
Ano na?
Shu, sang si Tony
Tony
Payang.
Payang.
Tony Payang.
No.
Nourishing.
Nourishing.
Ano rin
Nourishing.
siya?
Nourishing yin.
Ano ba
Nourishing the
yan?
yin.
You don't know anything about as well. Nourishing yin.
Mama galit si
Wu
Princess.
introduced
Wu.
Wu Yoki.
We can see Doc. Amit mo
Yung,
na.
parang labo.
Letter B.
Pestilential chi. Yes, very good. Next.
Pestilence.
Epidemic diseases enter. This is why we always use mask.
Mouth and
Mouth
nose.
and
Mouth
nose.
and nose.
Mouth and nose. Kaya nga tayo nagmamask. Number 19. Yi Tianshi developed.
False diagnosis.
No.
Verbal birth.
Letter
Wei Qi.
B.
Letter B.
Wei
Wei
Qi Yin to
Wei
theory.
theory. Wang Qingren emphasized.
False.
False.
No, anatomy.
Anatomy siya.
Blood stasis can cause.
Blood stasis can cause disease.
Disease.
Of course. Letter B, disease.
Disease.
Diagnosis by observation is.
Ano ba yun?
Blurred.
Blurred, Doc eh. Hindi ka makita.
Blurred siya. Is.
Eyes diagnosis.
Eyes diagnosis.
Eyes diagnosis. Art.
Okay, letter C.
Letter C.
Images in diagnosis refer to.
Images. Manifestation externally.
Yes.
Mahaba-haba yung answer.
Internal manifestation externally.
Let's see. Yes. Wow. Letter B. Internal
Letter B.
manifestations externally. Next. Ay, mabagal, no?
Malabo siya,
Let's
Doc.
wait.
Blurred siya. Blurred.
Hindi ko makita.
False, false
False
image.
image plus color
Plus color.
helps.
Pas image sa color.
Diagnosis.
Diagnosis.
Visa.
Diagnosis. Wow.
Diagnosis.
Ang tagal niya Observation must avoid.
Overthinking.
Overthinking.
No. Missing
Di-
details.
Missing
Ah,
details
missing
sa full picture.
Kailangan
Malabo eh.
yung mga details mo naka-note down yan. Palpation includes
Doc. Feeling pulse
Feeling pulse
and
Feeling pulse and body.
yes, this is too obvious. Pulse diagnosis,
Pulse diagnosis for
essential
8 principles.
for
8 principles.
8 principles.
8 principles.
Pulse can reveal
Cheese state.
state.
Cheese state.
Rapid pulse indicates
Test. Heat.
Heat.
of course. Palpation weakness. Anong weakness ng palpation? Kaya mahirap ituro.
Subjective.
Yes,
Feel.
subjective siya.
Subjective.
What is the strength of palpation? Palpation, ha?
Apo. Strength. Malabo. Okay. Strength. Malakas. Diagnosis of muscle.
Very muscle.
Yes,
Muscles.
of course.
Diagnosis of the muscle.
Skin heat indicates
Skin heat.
Cold.
Wind.
Heat.
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 Cold.
Wala pa siyang dam.
Ay.
Heat, no?
Okay.
Okay, kailan
Skin.
na-develop ang tongue diagnosis?
Kay ano to eh. Kay
Oh.
Talaga?
Ta-
Close kayo?
tang ba yun?
Ming.
Kay sa tongue diagnosis.
Tang ba yun? Tang?
Diagnosis.
Qing Dynasty.
Sige, let's see.
Qing or Ming.
May ibang sagot.
Qing or Ming.
Ang dami nyo ng mali, ha?
Qing or Ming.
Ay,
Baka tang diagnosis.
Sai.
Tang.
The correct answer is song.
Ay.
Aso.
Song na walang isa.
Hindi ba yun?
Tang song. So, tang song.
Walang
Tang-tang, ha? Kaysa tang diagnosis, tang na rin. Naglulukohan lang tayo.
Tang Dynasty.
Excuse me. Tang diagnosis, tang na. Ay, ano yan? Okay, let's go to, kaya humihila yung signal. Dry tongue indicates,
Heat or deficiency.
Deficiency.
of course.
Yes.
Next. Ay, ang tagal. Grabe. Tagal sa monitor lumabas.
Malabo.
Dry tongue plus chest pain.
Lung issue.
Lungs issue.
Dry tongue plus chest.
Liver, di ba liver chase stagnation yan?
Stagnation.
Pag may liver chase
Chest
stagnation,
pain,
baka lung issue ka din.
Heart issue.
Heart
Chest
issue.
pain.
Ano ba Okay.
Heart issue. Heart
Heart
issue.
issue.
Yung may chest pain eh.
May chest pain na heart issue ka agad?
Hindi kasi alam ko
Di ba
liver chase
palpitations yung
stagnation eh.
hahanapin nyo?
Palpitation.
Meron kasi dun sa, yung kay Machocha, dalawang, siya,
Kasi pag
pattern.
ang issue, may chest pain din.
Yung vessel,
Malay mo, nagkaroon ng
Uy.
stagnant yung nagalit.
vessel obstruction and,
May pain may pain.
oo, dalawa
Doctor,
Yung
yun.
kasi Dok, may Dok, ng issue. May Dok, may fluid sa retention. May chest pain siya. Nagra-radiate sa back.
Kayo naman nagbigay niyan, wala namang sinasabing fluid
Yan,
retention.
yan. Yung chest pain indicate pag dry kasi, hit na yan. Saka yung deficiency
Dry lang.
is
Okay,
either
correct
liver
answer
chase
is
stagnation.
Ano
T.
na?
B.
T.
Heart
Kidney
issue.
Liver cheese stagnation.
Liver chase stagnation. Tama ko. Tama ko.
Boy, the internet is too slow.
Palpation to
Palpation
essential.
pillar is.
Essential.
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 Yes. Next. Diagnosis has how many pillars?
4
Four.
pillars.
Okay. Letter C.
4 pillars.
Grabe ang internet. This is Philippines. Okay. Missing a pillar leads to
Reliable diagnosis.
Unreliable diagnosis.
yeah.
Ano ba? Hindi ko makita.
Letter C, Doc.
Unreliable diagnosis.
Unreliable.
Yeah,
Tama.
letter C. Very good. Okay. Ang tagal, grabe. This is Philippines.
Mm-mm.
Pulse can
Pulse
change
Change instantly.
Instantly.
instantly. Letter B. Wow. Next. Palpation helps.
Monitor
Monitor.
treatment.
Monitor treatment.
Wow. Correct answer is A. Okay. How many
Pulse quality.
pulse
28.
qualities? Oh, 20.
28.
28.
29.
Very observant. Ito
29.
very precise. 29 na lang.
Qualification.
29.
29 plus.
Memorize ni Sir
Mo
Mark.
bongga.
Okay, pulse positions. Ilan?
Doc, ayun.
Huh?
3, 6,
C.
6. 6.
Huh?
3, 6.
Pulse
3, 3.
positions. Position yan ha. Hindi look.
Ay, 9.
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9.
Bakit naging 9? Position lang. Position ng kada Zhangfu. Correct answer is letter C.
12.
12.
Kasi 12
Superficial
Zhang.
and deep.
2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 12
Zhangfu
nga.
eh.
Oh,
Sa Zhangpo
Zhangfu.
nga. 2, 2, 2, 2.
Zhangfu 12 eh. 12 meridian.
12.
Oo, 2, 2, 2. 12.
Okay, pulse depth. Yung depth, ilan?
3.
3.
Of course.
3 depth.
Di ba 5? Just kidding. Next. Question 44. Diagnosis begins with
Palpation.
Observation.
Pumili
Observation.
agad.
Lahat.
Hindi, ano yung inuumpisahan?
Observation.
Observation.
Observation muna. Palpitation, listening, smelling. B.
Unahin mo muna observation. Okay, let's go now to question 45. External signs reflect.
External disease.
External disease.
Yeah, no.
Internal.
Environment.
Internal
organ.
organs.
Internal organ.
Hindi mo naman nakikita yung sa pag external. Diba? Correct answer
External.
is B, internal organs. Lumalabas externally. Okay? Next.
Okay.
5 colors relate. Tagal. 5 colors relate to.
Season.
Season. No.
Organs.
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 Organ. The correct answer is
Tama organ nga.
organs. Yes. Next question 47. Pulse plus color gives
Complete picture.
Complete picture.
Correct answer is, yeah, letter B, complete picture.
Complete picture.
So dapat, yeah. Next, question 48. Tongue dryness may indicate, tongue dryness, sorry. Tongue dryness.
Gene deficiency.
Deficiency.
Gene deficiency.
Bakit galit? Okay, letter A. Correct answer is A. Ang dami ng mali. Okay. So next, 49. Emotional issues affect,
Liver
Liver
chi.
tea.
yes, liver chi. Very good. Letter B. Next, question 50. Diagnosis requires,
Only observation.
huh?
No, logic.
Logic.
Let's check.
Logic.
Pag-iisip.
Logic.
Letter A. Correct answer is A,
Logic.
logic. Only observation. Paano? Okay, nagkulang ng 3 pillars. Okay, let's go now to question 51. Heart 9
Index.
is located
Dito.
on
Dito, finger.
Index finger.
Little.
finger.
Little
Heart 9
finger.
yan, ha?
Heart na, di
Little.
ba sinuri? Little finger?
Ano ka? Nagtung sa kawacho.
Little ba? Or
Uy, ano na nangyari sa inyo? Little finger.
index finger?
Letter C.
Demerit yan, di ba, Doc?
Little finger.
Okay,
Sa
next.
may ano?
Question 52. Heart 9 is a
Jingwell.
point.
Jingwell. Correct answer
Masakit.
is B.
Sakit yan.
Masakit.
At least marirevive. Number 53. Heart 9 element.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire ba? Wood.
Oy, take note na, Jingwell.
Jingwood, di ba wood yan? Wood to fire?
Wood nga.
Wood,
Yeah,
hindi
wood.
fire. Wood,
Wood
Jingwell.
isa sa wood.
Correspondent for the
Heart 9
liver
yan eh.
yan.
Oo.
Wood ang Jingwell. Wood.
Wood,
Oo.
very good.
Wood.
Okay, heart 9 functions.
Okay. Clear heat.
Clear heat.
Of course. Correct answer is letter A.
Okay.
Okay, 55. Heart 9 treats.
All of the above.
All the love.
Bakit sumisigaw? Okay. Okay,
Bakit daw hindi mo
answer is
marinig na?
all of the above. Okay. Question 56. Jingwell points. Anong ginagawa ng
Clear
Jingwell?
heat.
Clear heat.
Yes, ay, ang galing. Letter B.
Clear heat.
Galing. Wow. Next, question 57. Heart 9 can.
Restore
Restore
consciousness.
consciousness.
Yes, correct answer is
A.
A. Now we go to question 58. Heart 9 is used in
Stroke.
stroke. Yeah, wow, very
Good
you must
condition.
love this for stroke. Letter A. Next, question 59. Heart meridian connects to,
Lungs.
Liver.
huh?
C.
Liver.
C, Doc.
Lung?
Lungs.
Meridian, meridian.
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 Liver, di ba?
Huh, liver? B.
Liver,
Yes, Sister Rosa got it. Small intestine.
Intestine.
Ano kaya?
Nalito ako. Oo.
Ano na nangyari? Internally, interiorly, exteriorly related. Now let's go to scalp acupuncture. Treats
B.
B.
TNF
Central nervous
disorders.
system disorders.
disorders. Wow. Correct answer is B. Okay, question 61. Scalp acupuncture is based on
Letter B,
D.
TCM Modern Science.
That's modern
galing.
science.
Pero ang dami niya talagang alam na. Okay.
Ang ganda niya.
Correct answer is B. TCM plus modern science. Now let's go to ear acupuncture. Ear acupuncture involves
Needling
Needling
auricle.
of course, kaya nga ear. Needling auricle. Number 63. Ear acupuncture is
Easy and effective.
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 correct answer is letter C.
B.
Number 64. Ear relates to
Sound organs.
yeah, wow, letter B. Correct answer is letter B.
B.
Next. Number 65. Kidney relates to
Hearing.
Hearing.
of course. Letter B. Ang galing. Okay. Now let's go to question 66. Auricular points standardized by
WHO.
WHO.
Ooh.
Of course, letter A.
Bongga,
Next,
no?
question 67. Paul Nouget was
French neuro.
French neurologist.
wow,
Hindi ko
letter
alam. Kalungkot ako.
B. Tagal. Okay. Now let's go to number 68. Ear resembles
Fetus.
Fetus.
very easy. Wow. Are you enjoying so far? Let's do this every week, huh?
Yes.
Number 69. Para makinig na kayo sa mga lecture. Two ear systems. Ano?
Chinese and
European.
European.
Oh, memorize lahat, both Chinese and European. Wow. Next, number 70. Wow, ang tagal. Okay, ear acupuncture treats
Over
Over
100
100
diseases.
diseases.
letter B. Walang expert na expert si Ma'am Elvira. Okay. Number 71. The ear connects through
Meridian.
Regions.
Bakit galit? Okay. 72. Ear therapy includes
Mokta.
huh?
Needles.
Ano ba
Di ba
talaga?
Mokta
Mokta
na?
needles.
All of the above.
All of the
All the
above.
All of
above.
the above.
Ay, all of the above.
All
Lagi
of
mo
the
kami
above.
pa.
Bleeding.
You have to read all the options before you answer. Okay, now let's go to gua sha naman.
What?
Gua sha treats.
Internal organ.
Internal.
Okay. No. Pain. Hindi siya
Pain.
nagtitinta. Correct
Oo nga
answer
pala.
is
Pain.
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 B syndrome.
Not treat internal. Question 74. Gua sha promotes.
Blood
Blood
flow.
flow.
Sure na?
Blood flow.
Okay.
Yes.
Answer is
A.
A. Okay. Back pain may be due to
Wind and cold.
Wind cold.
All of the
All of the
all of the
above.
above.
Deficiency wind.
All of
Correct
the above.
answer is D.
Oo.
All of the above. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's go to scraping therapy or gua sha. Pareho lang siya. Anong answer dito?
B.
Relieve symptoms.
Relieves
Symptoms.
symptoms. Okay? Biglang organs ka agad. Okay, question 77. Osteoporosis causes
Cold.
Okay.
Pain.
Back pain ba?
back pain, letter
Back
B.
pain.
Okay.
B.
Number 78. GB14 to GB3 scraping.
Back.
Back.
Head.
Back.
Baka agad.
Head yun.
Oo, back.
Mag-head
Back.
back, back.
Abot ang GB3
Back.
eh.
Back pala.
GB
Correct
14 to
answer is
GB3.
back, letter
Back.
B. Mm.
Sa head
Tulong ba
pala
yun?
14 to
20.
GB3. Next, question 79. Mingmen point is
GV.
Bladder. GB 14
ano
o
GB14?
bladder
No,
23?
no, no. Bladder.
Mingmen.
Bladder 23, di ba?
Okay. Bladder 20.
Hindi Shenshu ang bladder 23.
GB 4? GB.
GV4.
Correct answer is GB4. Okay.
U4.
Naku, recorded pa naman to.
GB
Okay.
4.
Question 80. Shenshu
A, bladder
Bladder
23.
23.
Shenshu. Bladder 23. Shenshu.
Okay. Stretching the spine helps.
Pain.
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 Yeah, di ba itong ginagawa?
Don't overcharge. Darwin.
Ay, ano yun? Okay. Number 82. Chi flows in
Meridian.
Meridians.
meridians, of course,
P.
basic. Heat signs. Number 83. Heat signs include
Warm skin.
Warm skin.
warm skin. Very good. Very easy. Okay, question 84. Internal disease shows
Not visible.
Inter.
Di ba not visible? Di mo nakikita yun.
hindi nakikita.
Oo.
So bakit tayo nag-o-observation?
Yeah. Outside.
So what is your answer?
Inside?
Outside.
Outside only? So titingin sa loob.
Outside.
Outside.
Outside
Correct
of
answer is outside.
ba?
Letter B.
B.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Number 85. Observation
All of the
includes
above.
All.
all of the above.
All of the above.
Okay. Ito naman siguro, masasagot yun na kaagad. Unang napaka-stupid question. 5 elements theory includes
Five elements.
okay, 5 elements. Okay.
5 elements.
Chi means
Energy.
G.
yes, letter B. Energy.
Energy.
Next, number 88.
Zang organs.
Zang organs are
Solid.
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 Solid. Full. Hollow.
solid pa lang tinatanong. Okay. O siya,
Solid.
sunod, full organs are
Hollow.
Hollow.
okay. Correct answer is B. Now we go to question 90. Diagnosis combines.
Multiple
Multiple
methods.
All methods.
Akala ko sasagot kayo ng guessing. Ha?
Tama. Multiple methods.
Yeah. 91. Yin-yang balance
Yes.
is
Central to
So,
TCM.
TCM.
central to TCM. Emotional imbalance affects
Organs.
Organ.
Organ.
organs. Letter A. This is true, especially
Yes.
pag tagal na, no? Okay. Now let's go to question 93. Windstroke refers to
Stroke.
Strong. What a question. Okay. Next, number 94. Heat in the heart causes
Anxiety.
anxiety. Wow, ang galing yun na. Grabe. Ang dami kayang may anxiety ngayon.
Yes, Doc. Kaya maganda yung heart 8 tsaka heart 9.
Oo. 95. The tongue reflects
Or
Heart.
organs.
organs.
Deep heart.
Na.
Internal organ.
Letter B.
Open.
Next, 96. Pulse reflects
B.
G.
All of the above.
All of the
Lahat.
above.
all of the above.
Malaman nila. All of the above.
Next, 97. Treatment depends on
Letter B.
Syndrome differences.
syndrome differentiation. Very good. Next, TCM is
Holistic.
Ancient.
ancient.
Holistic.
Holistic.
Holistic. This is the real holistic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Answer is letter C, ancient only. Correct answer is C. Next, 99. It's about ear acupuncture. Ear acupuncture is
Ancient plus modern.
Modern.
plus modern. Okay, very good. And the last one,
Restore balance.
Restore balance.
Restore balance. Wow,
Balance.
congratulations. So many mistakes, especially in the history. But anyway,
Sister, call a
congratulations.
friend.
You
Call a
did
friend
it.
next time.
Passing
Now
na
let's
talaga.
go to the next one. It's also yeah.